we literally took possession the day after. Man, inside of that is nasty, but all that damn crud. Let's see. I mean, boy, that's a big chunk right there. You see it?
I'm trying to plug some oil off and shit.
Yeah, I don't want it to fall into the damn intake. I mean the valves.
It's horrible. Good.
Yeah, inside this motor shot there. I don't want to throw too much money in it. I try and get rid of it. If I ain't gonna replace the engine and transmission.
That big old chunk.
Shit. Ooh. But it still runs strong. It do. It still runs strong. I mean, that bitch pull, bro.
It's gonna run strong until it don't.
Until it don't. Hell yeah. So yeah, we be chasing mini dragons on this motherfucker. Intake off. Cleaned up all the parts. Inside of this pretty damn nasty though.
Don't worry about that.
Starter sits under there. Look like the original guy. Where is it? Nope, that's a new starter. CarQuest. So they've been under. It could have been a bad gasket because it don't look like they changed it. The new gaskets in here. Slap that back together now. All new seals. Got rid of all the old ones. They weren't terrible, but I don't know. I had a lot of black in the inside. Might have been some glow by. That shouldn't be in there. You can see how it sits flush in the middle. So to have that much oil going all the way through it is kind of bad. That had to be leaking.